Hi, my Kotas. How are you? I came here with the PPS Unit 1 second part. It's a algorithm and flowchart. Without algorithm and flowchart, no program will run. Means you will not make the program. Okay. So we have to learn algorithm and flowchart. Algorithm means whatever the steps you want, whatever the data you want, that is the algorithm. And flowchart is a pictorial representation. You have to make some picture how you are making like map, so how you are making that program. So that is a flowchart, step by step procedure of making any program, that is an algorithm. And if we convert that algorithm into pictorial form, that is the flowchart. What is algorithm? What is programming task? A programming task is divided into two parts. That is a problem solving phase and implementation phase. Problem solving means algorithm. Okay, means you know how to solve the problem step by step. Just write that. There is no restriction. There is no syntax. So just write in English language. That is the algorithm. Or implementation phase means when you convert that algorithm to the programming language, that is the implementation phase. Okay, algorithm means like how you are making the tea. Tea. Just take the pan, put the water, milk, tea leaves, sugar, and boil it, it will become. So steps are there. Okay, but everyone having different steps. Hmm? Everyone not making tea in the same way. So that is an algorithm. How step by step procedure. Every coding is also not same. If you solve any problem, maybe your technique is different. So programming language task will be defined in the two-way problem solving phase and implementation phase. Okay, problem solving means algorithm, implementation means what you did a program. Okay, so what is algorithm? Algorithm is a step-by-step procedure of doing any task. One term is coming in the any programming language, that is a zero code. Zero code is a informal language by which programmer will develop the algorithm. Means if you are not making the proper algorithm, just one thing you are collecting from there, one thing you collecting from there, and you make the sentences in English. That is a pseudocode. That is not a proper steps. Okay, so that is also known as pseudocode. That will always be write in a English language. Pseudocode or algorithm. Some examples are there. One first example is write an algorithm to determine a student final grade and whether it is pass or fail. Okay, you have to calculate the four four marks, four subject marks. So first we have to know how many subject marks is there. So input a set of 4 marks. Just write in English. Okay. Input a set of marks. Pseudocode, there is no steps. See, there is no steps. You can write in any way in English also. Okay. So input a set of marks. First, you know the marks of the four subject. Calculate their average. See, no formula and things are there. So just calculate their average by summing and dividing by 4. Summing means 4 subject marks sum and divide by 4. By that you can get the average. If average is below 50, if it is less than 50, then it is fail, else it is. That is a normal pseudo code. What comes in your mind, that you put. You are not putting here the formula. See? But you write in English, everyone will understand. That is a not formal way to write the any procedure. That is a pseudocode. So same thing if you want to write in an algorithm. So you have to write this steps 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to write in algorithm. So you want four subject marks M1, M2, M3, M4. Here we write the syntax. Okay, four subject marks. Step two, you want sum of the average. No? Average should be sum of the marks divided by 4. So grade is equal to sum of 4 subjects divided by 4. So that grade, or you can say write here average also. average is less than 50, then it is fail, else it is pass. So algorithm will start with start and end with this. It will end here. Okay. Flowchart. Flowchart is a graphical representation of the any algorithm. So in all the information are flowing into the graphical way. Okay. So flowchart is also showing the logic of the algorithm. Whatever you are preparing the algorithm, that algorithm we make by the graphical representation. Step by step procedure. Or you can say it is a control flow. So flowchart having some symbols. This is start and stop box. Parallelogram box is used for input operation. Rectangle box is used for addition, subtraction is for calculation we are using. Diamond box is for decision. Okay. This is flow lines means every box is between you have to draw the flow lines. See, same question. If you want the flowchart of this question means question is you have four subject marks. You want that you have to find the average as well as you have to find that that average is less than 50, it will fail, else it is with same algorithm you have to implement with flowchart. So first you have to draw the start box. Every flowchart you have to start the box, start box. Second line, input M1, M2. So for inputting, we are using the parallelogram. है ना? Earlier in early side we see same na input M1, M2, M3, M4. After that, for processing we use the processing box, that is rectangle box. Grade is equal to M, all the sum divided by 4. Now for decision, decision means if condition. If grade is less than 50, if it is yes, then it will print fail. If it is no, then it will print pass or it will go to the stop. There should be start and stop box in a flowchart. Okay, there are one example. Write an algorithm and draw a flowchart to convert the length of in feet to centimeter. Feet to centimeter, you have to centimeter. Centimeter is equal to feet into 30. That is a formula. Okay. Feet into 30. So for that pseudocode is you have to input the length of the feet, elliptic. Length in feet, short form elliptic. Calculate the length in centimeter, LCM. By multiply elliptic multiply by 30, you will get the length in centimeter. Okay. Feet is equal to, sorry, length is centimeter is equal to feet into 30. Then print the centimeter. Same thing, that is pseudo code na, so that will not clear. That is informal information. You have to make it. First, you have to input the elliptic. That is length in feet. Second step, if you want centimeter to feet into 30. And then you print the centimeter. Same thing you want in flowchart. First, start box. Every flowchart will start with start box. Then input LFT, that is processing box, parallelogram, input LFT. After that, calculation. For calculation, we use the rectangle box, that is LCM is to LFT into 30. Then print. For printing, this is wrong. This box only we have to use in the for printing also. So a parallelogram box will be used in LCM. Then we stop by the stop symbol, that is this is the stop symbol. So we will start the flowchart with start and stop with stop. Okay. See, this is in your course. Write an algorithm and draw a flowchart that will calculate the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay. So this is in your course. It is very important. So we will discuss it tomorrow. This question and prime number. Prime number is also in your course. Algorithm of prime number, algorithm of quadratic equation. Okay, so we will discuss tomorrow. Just just do some practice questions of algorithm and flowchart. Uh, till then, okay, we will see tomorrow. Subscribe the channel if you like it, and uh, slowly we will complete this unit. Okay, so till then, okay, bye bye.